Hey friends, my name is and you are watching my YouTube channel Quick Tasty Bites. So today we are going to see how to make easy and simple veg korma recipe. So if you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Quick Tasty Bites.
Now take a mixer jar, add 1 cup of coconut in it, cashews. Now grind it nicely into a smooth paste. Once the paste is ready, keep it aside.
Take a utensil, little oil in
it. Now let the oil get heated.
Once the oil is heated,
now add the cumin seeds in it.
Now add the onions in it.
Now saute the onion until it's light brown. Once the onions are turned light brown, add the tomatoes in it. Again saute the tomatoes nicely.
Now add some salt in it. Onions and tomatoes are cooked nicely. Add some turmeric in it. Chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala.
Now saute the masala.
Now add little water in it.
Let the masala get cooked nicely.
Once the masala is cooked nicely,
add the green peas, cauliflower, carrots, French beans, and now mix it well. Now add some water in it. Now close the lid and let the vegetable get cooked in it.
once the vegetable is cooked, add the ground paste in it and mix it well.
Now cover the lid again and let it get cooked for 5 minutes. Once the curry is cooked, garnish the curry with some coriander